Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and upload training videos. So as you can see here, I have the task created in Teamwork. I started my timer to track the time with this task. First thing you're going to do is go to this training video checklist sheet here. And this is where you're going to find all of our training videos if you are looking to get training. From here, there should be a video in Cloud App that you can pull open. And the purpose here, and I'm going to copy the name of the task so that when I go to download this, I can make sure I name it properly. So when you go to download this, for me, I have my computer set up so that anytime I download anything, it lets me rename it before. But now I'm just going to put creating a teamwork task as the name and download that. And the reason we're doing this is because Cloud App videos will expire. So we want to make sure that we have these videos saved forever so that we can always reference back to them. But now the next step here in the task you'll see is once you've downloaded that video, you've named the video appropriately, which I have. Now we're going to add that video to Google Drive here, the training videos presentation section. So you need to make sure we go to the right folder. Remember that we are in the basics tab, which means we want to upload this into the basics folder. So I'm going to go ahead and take that video and pull it up in here. Now, if you don't have the ability to rename the video when you're initially downloading it, that's not a problem. What you can do is, once it uploads here, what you can do is rename the video from Google Drive. So I'm just waiting for it to upload. Oh, there it is. So you could right click and click rename. So I'm just going to add, to the end of it, training video, creating a teamwork test training video. Boom. So there it is. Now from here I have the right name. I right click again. I click get link. This will give me the link to that video so that if someone wants to just really quick access this, they can click on that link from here. So I go back into the Google Drive video link, paste it in there, and there we have it. Now I have my Cloud App video link, and I also have my Google Drive link, which will not expire. It'll always be there, and we're good to go. Then that's pretty much it. So last thing I'll do is stop my timer, and we're all set. But if you have any questions, definitely reach out.